Hello, agus fáilte over Ishig now you're talking. In this programme, we learn how to say how we feel and how to cancel arrangements due to illness. In the following scenes you'll hear Tá sé chin, he's ill, Tá sí chin, she's ill, and Tá sé na lí, he's in bed. Argadú seo.
Will German is the?
Tá ata sé tin.
Bhfuil émanastí?
Tá ata sé na lí.
A chail, bhfuil imar is tí?
Níl, tá sí tin.
Did you notice how you ask if someone is in? Well, Germadistí. Is Germadan?
Will German is the?
Tá ata sé tin.
Bhfuil émanastí?
Tá ata sé na lí.
A chail, bhfuil imar is tí?
Níl, tá sí tin.
Tá sí chin. She's ill. Tá sí chin. Tá sé chin. He's ill. Tá sé chin. Tá sé na lí. He's in bed. Tá sé na lí.
In an earlier programme we learned the question, could you tart? What's wrong with you? In the following scenes you'll hear, could you tar? What's wrong with him? And could you tari? What's wrong with her? You'll also hear chin is kin, a headache, sleidan, a cold, and tá pean na mawallag, I have a pain in my stomach.
Bhfuil sémasastí?
Tá ata sé tin.
Gidétar?
Tin is kin.
Bhfuil garajin istí?
Tá ach tá sí tin.
Gidétarí?
Tá sleidan arí.
Bhfuil tú tin híle?
Tá
Gidétart.
Tá piano mo bhálag.
Chin is kin, a headache. Tá sleidan orry, she has a cold. Tá pean na mawallag, I have a pain in my stomach. And well tú chin, are you ill? Well tú chin. Argadú ríis.
Bhfuil sémasastí?
Tá ata sé tin.
Gidétar?
Tin is kin.
Bhfuil garajin istí?
Tá ach tá sí tin.
Gidétarí?
Tá sleidan arí.
Bhfuil tú tin híle?
Tá
Gidétart.
Tá piano mo bhálag.
Tá pean na mawallag. I have a pain in my stomach. Tá pean na mawallag. Sleidan. A cold. Sleidan. Chin is kin. A headache. Chin is kin.
People often complain about droch asachtach, a bad cough, drum nivnach, a sore back, and skadam nivnach, a sore throat. Argadú seo.
Tá droch asart arm.
Gidétart. Drumnimne.
Seo í fag achtar.
Gidétartífa.
Tá sceadam an nefnearí.
Scata ma nimne. Tá scata ma nimne go leor daoine fa láthair.
Tá skadam nivnach ar go leor daoine. A lot of people have sore throats. Fui láthair at the moment. Tá droch asachta orm, I have a bad cough. And drum nivnach, a sore back. Éis le ríis.
Tá droch asart arm.
Gidétart. Drumnimne.
Seo í fag achtar.
Gidétartífa.
Tá sceadam an nefnearí.
Tá scadam an nivnearí. She has a sore throat. Tá scadam an nivnearí. Drum nivne. A sore back. Drum nivne. Tá droch asach darm. I have a bad cough. Tá droch asach darm.
To say that someone has been hurt or injured, the word you need is gorty. Gorta se chásta gimmert pella. He injured his leg playing football.
Gidétartí armad.
Gárta sé chása gimmert pelle.
Bhfuil sí briste?
Níl, ata sí nimne.
Come on, let's go. Juckle am Lord Lamorin le dal.
Tá brúnarm, níl marí na stíniu.
Cohfuil she?
Tá sí san nálan.
San Harlan. Gidétarí.
Ghuairtí sí cás I gimmert ladaige.
Gorty she a cásta gimmert ladoige. She hurt her leg playing tennis. And in the first scene, the mother asked, will she briste? Is it broken? To which Diarmuid replied, Níl, ach tá sí an nimneach. No, but it's very sore. You'll notice that it's a chos when referring to a male, but a cos when referring to a female. You'll find more information about this in the workbook. Arca Ruidish.
Could you talk to Diarmuid?
Garta se hasa gimmert pelle.
Will she briste?
Níl, ata sí an nimne.
Kom maar Ishkel. Jokel am Lord Lamorin le dal.
Tá brúnarm, níl marí na stíine.
Cool she.
Tá sí san nálan.
San Harlan. Could you tari?
Huirtí sí cás.
Garta she a cuss. She hurt her leg. Garta she a cuss. Garta she a cuss. He hurt his leg. Garta she a cuss.
And in Ballamore, Connor and Louise are enjoying their short stay in Paris. Meanwhile, Shan receives a phone call from Michael McKee, whose father has taken ill in London. Look out for the phrases Anishti Kaje Harla, tell her what happened, and Nilinchiach Triblodge, she's only trouble.
Honor, could you thought? Na what about the Lord? Aber a. Tá sceadam in nimneart. Ar bhaile teo hé?
Hello?
Hello, well Shanasty.
Tá, ach tá sin na lí. Ar bhaile Lord leis.
But why? Ta Shan Tawachta.
Ceart go leor. Cit a cainj?
Michael McKee.
Ba me teo bhain. A cheain? Tá Michael McKee ar a phone.
Jeta ye here.
Nílas agam ach tá sé an táhachtach.
Tama chopped. Fan bomacha.
Tá sé teachtanis. Nach brana cosatart a cheain.
Hello, Avail. Ta Shan lure margin. Well, to Mr. Studio. Well, 100 cards go
Niller Harby. Ta meher an Chenny Kaima gal Rashka London in a stira. Ta me gemaktor was in there for chicken quick womacha.
Hat a bronarm sin a chlustel Avail. Ta silicum commission is far gan well.
Gurmahi good. Kurma scarcha ta mahancha. Agus a chein.
Pia?
Nilasugum kuervis marash. Nir ma can't the George Harby. And this thing could you hurl.
Card go Tarara the chin Avail.
Could you ter?
Ta her chin. Ta she gal Rashka London.
O an creator bocht. Well, Corrie sin Jerry leis héin agus le Deirdre Blair cabi.
Stad chin anula. You know she the Shulamalia Hila.
Will tu kinse? Covered tu héin ar Deirdre cheain. Nilinchiach Triblodge.
Seo síl.
Sure.
Slánte.
Slánte.
Tá se go deas na poistí agal sa bhhaile na sis a ríis.
Ó na poistí. Caim a scarte go rathú.
Ríis?
O bhil me cinse go le 100 ceart go leor.
Mai go leor.
Hello? Hello, Amway. Tá me go mai, is tú héin? Is dóhan an bhfuil sé bhí géirí hart bháile?
Bhain nead de cabi. What Connor is they?
Tá ach tá sin na lí. Tá sceadam in nimnear, ní sé abal do Lord.
Ar chuir is scarte a doctor?
Níor hard ó Amway. Ní sé go hog sin. Tá sceadam in nimnear go leor daoine fiú láthir. Bhí sé ceart go leor.
Be me de as mai a cabi.
Tá me súl go mór leis.
Slána Deirdre. Tá réad a Connor.
Cínte bhámaí. Tífa má mála sibh.
So far, we've learned how to tell people what aches and pains we have. We'll move on now to cancelling arrangements. Look out for Ní bheidh má abalta gá maithanacht. I won't be able to go out tonight. Ní bheidh má abalta gá maithanacht. And Ní bheidh me go chruinniúnacht. I won't be at the meeting tonight. Ní bheidh me go chruinniúnacht.
Hello. Oh, where are you? Could you what tattoo? Tá brónaram ní bheith mebal tala maithanacht. Tá drim neamhne haram.
Go leisceal. A fegi, ní bheidh me go chruinniúnacht. Cathaí? Tá ma níon Kathleen tin. Go sé táirí? Tá droch leid an arí.
Tí mar téú orla?
Tá má go mai agus tú réin?
Ó, tá sléidan agus a sléidan ar Frederick fásta.
Mi sé go chruinniúnacht?
Tá brónar ní bhé.
Tá sin cear go leor. Tá air a tin. Sláin.
Sláin.
Me sé go chruinniúnacht. Will he be at the meeting tonight? Tá brónaram ní bheidh. I'm sorry, he won't. You also heard Torara the chain. Take care of yourself. Eish Larish.
Hello. Oh, where are you? Could you what tattoo? Tá brónaram ní bheith mebal tala maithanacht. Tá drim neamhne haram.
Go leisceal. A fegi, ní bheidh me go chruinniúnacht. Cathaí? Tá ma níon Kathleen tin. Go sé táirí? Tá droch leid an arí.
Tí mar téú orla?
Tá má go mai agus tú réin?
Ó, tá sléidan agus a sléidan ar Frederick fásta.
Mi sé go chruinniúnacht?
Tá brónar ní bhé.
Tá sin cear go leor. Tá air a tin.
Tur era the chin. Take care of yourself. Tur era the chin. May sé go chruinniúnacht? Will he be at the meeting tonight? May sé go chruinniúnacht? Tá brónaram ní bheidh. I'm sorry, he won't. Tá brónaram ní bheidh. Ní bheidh me go chruinniú. I won't be at the meeting. Ní bheidh me go chruinniú. Ní bheidh mabalta gá maithanacht. I won't be able to go out tonight. Ní bheidh mabalta gá maithanacht.
Some Irish place names are Norse in origin. Wicklow, for example, is made up of two Norse words, Viking and low, meaning meadow. Viking's meadow. Its Irish name is Kilwantain, St. Montan's Church. Despite the fact that the Vikings spent about 200 years raiding and trading in Ireland, surprisingly few Norse place names remain, only about 50 at most. And apart from a few exceptions, most of these are on the coast. The Vikings had set up raiding bases on the Wicklow coast by the year 830. Many of their raids coincided with major church festivals for maximum effect. All ecclesiastical settlements in the hinterland were raided, some of them far inland. The monastery here at Glendalough was raided by the Vikings a few times, but its round tower offered great protection, and as you can see, it's still intact. Scandinavian settlement of a more peaceful and permanent nature did take place, however, especially along the east coast. Relations between the Viking settlers and the native population had much improved by the 12th century after a turbulent start. Here are some more examples of Norse place names that are still with us today. Some of them have a different Irish name and meaning. Atinvermore, the big estuary. Arklow, Arknell's meadow. Benyader, Ader's peak. Hoth, head. Loch Cuan, lake of the harbours. Strangford, bay with strong currents. Limavradang, the salmon leap. Leekslip, the salmon leap. Kyon Helvik, Helvik head. Helvik, rock shelf. Before moving on, we'll have a listen to the Connacht and Munster versions of Cadet Hort and Skadaman Yevnach.
Ceirt áirta cheán.
Tá scór nach tíarm.
Oh, hello, Vare, Constanto.
Nílim Rova.
Cad a hard.
Scór nach tain.
We'll have a look now at some scenes where other parts of the body will be mentioned. You'll hear glúin, knee, scihan, arm, láv, hand, and mare, finger. You'll also hear Cudí Harladage, what happened to you? Hitchma, I fell, and Vrishma, I broke.
Oh, Malún.
Cudí tart.
Orta mar Martini.
Gydw mar tetu, Christine. Gydw harladage. Het ma de lún agus frish me scihan.
Ah, bhríon.
Dé mar tetu fríd.
Oh, cabad. Gart mam lauin é.
Gydé ta dhéanú.
Ama.
Gydé tart.
Wel mam a bhéir.
Again, did you notice that after the word my, some of the words take a shevu? Gharta me magluin, I hurt my knee. Wulma maver, I hit my finger. Some of the words remain unchanged. Vrishma mishkihan, I broke my arm. Gharta me malau, I hurt my hand. You'll find more information about the shevu in the workbook. Ahanish arkarushanarish.
Oh, Malún.
Cudí tart.
Orta mar Martini.
Gydw mar tetu, Christine. Gydw harladage. Het ma de lún agus frish me scihan.
Ah, bhríon.
Dé mar tetu fríd.
Cabad. Gart mam lauin é.
Gydé ta dhéanú.
Ama.
Gydé tart.
Wel mam a bhéir.
Well, Mamma Vare, I hit my finger. Well, Mamma Vare. Gharta Mamma Lau, I hurt my hand. Gharta Mamma Lau. Vrishma Mashkihan, I broke my arm. Vrishma Mashkihan. Magluin, my knee. Magluin.
Look out for more new words in the following scenes. Kiln, head, cluas, ear, sul, eye, and throne, nose.
Bhfuil ímar is tí?
Níl.
Go dé tarí?
Orta si a ceanna né.
Bhfuil dearmad is tí?
Tá, ata sé tin.
Cudí tar?
A tá cluis nimne her. Hello, Frederick. What do want me stay?
Níl, tu si sin na háláninge.
Oh. Cudí tari?
Tasúnne áhí.
Well, I'm on the stay.
Tá ata sena luí. Bhí timpiste garmáidín bhris seachróna gimar pelle.
Kiln, head, cluas, ear, sul, eye, and throne, nose. The word guisan is also used for nose. Eishlarish.
Bhfuil ímar is tí?
Níl.
Go dé tarí?
Orta si a ceanna né.
Bhfuil dearmad is tí?
Tá, ata sé tin.
Cudí tar?
A tá cluis nimne her. Hello, Frederick. What do want me stay?
Níl, tu si sin na háláninge.
Oh. Cudí tari?
Tasúnne áhí.
Well, I'm on the stay.
Tá ata sena luí. Bhí timpiste garmáidín bhris seachróna gimar pelle.
Throne. Nose. Throne. Or Gisan. Sul. Eye. Sul. Cluas. Ear. Cluas. Kyun. Head. Kyun.
We'll go back now to Ballamore. Connor and Louise return home from Paris, and Louise immediately calls the doctor when she sees how sick Connor Og is. The only difficult phrases you'll hear are "Na bhfuil tú ábal do Lord go fáil?" "Can you not speak yet?" and "Becheartid rint acliacht a dhéanamh. You should do some exercise."
Seo le siad.
Fáid ar óga bháile.
Go maith good.
Dí mar teise.
Go mai. Bhí amar dóid gin.
Could you a canner?
Tá se bhád níos fearr.
And crater. Could you to canner? Now what we have the Lord go fall?
Tá sin nibnach.
Oh, came a scar to her a doctor. Tá sé níos masna mar a hilme.
An is sí síos agus bíú bríon tegad. Bhí sé cear go leor. Tá brúnarm a caiim a héana bhil amhanis. Bhí mar ráis ar ball.
Na bíhád, tá go leor scialtaí go na hense duid.
Fáin!
Ní bheith seabalt a gola maith éis go dtíidir daoine de híine. Nus. Tór, spanna go bhain dár maidín. Ceann eile tróna. Agus ceann san íche.
Ceart go leor.
Well, go dtí mar tú hain faoi lethar Louise.
Ó, tá me se bhád níos fear a bhaachtar. Níor tin is cinnearm na fada. Agus níam thursar na se chorbe.
Smai sin, ba cheartid rindeaclaíart í enú. Hart fa dim am te han le. Nus, thoras a a waid a tin, agus na go ráis ar scal go dtí go me tú níos fearr.
Well, sin jiru ya clara le. Next time we look at how to ask for permission and favours and how to make requests. Gajishan, slán tamil.
Sa nagran seo the now you're talking chhuila tú. Tá sí tin.
Tá se na lí.
Slédan.
Sin is cin.
Tá pianam a bhálag.
Tá scada ma nimne horí.
Drim nimne.
Tá droch asach a horam.
Gharta sí a cás.
Gárta se a chos.
Tar arad a tin.
Mé se go chrinniú nacht.
Tá brónarm ní bhéh.
Ní bhé ma abal a gála maha nacht.
Mér.
Lau.
Scíam.
Glúin.
Srón ar gísan.
Súil.
Clúas.
Cion.